The coyote, Canis latrans, is a fascinating and highly adaptable animal, known for its intelligence and versatility. Below, I'll tell you about its lifestyle. 1. Habitat and distribution. Coyotes are native to North America, but their range has expanded from Canada to Central America. They adapt to almost any environment: forests, grasslands, deserts, mountains, and even urban areas. 2. Diet, opportunistic and omnivorous. They are opportunistic. They eat whatever is available. Their diet includes small mammals, rodents, rabbits, fruits and vegetables, berries, grasses, corn, birds, insects, and reptiles. Carrion, the remains of dead animals. In urban areas, they may eat garbage or small pets. 3. Behavior and social structure. They are solitary or in pairs, although they sometimes form small family groups. They are nocturnal or crepuscular, most active at dawn and dusk. Very territorial, they mark their area with urine and howls. 4. Reproduction. They mate between January and March. The female has a litter of 4 to 7 pups after about 60 days of gestation. Both parents care for the pups, which become independent at 6 to 9 months. 5. Adaptability and survival. They are very intelligent. They avoid traps, learn from humans, and even cooperate with badgers to hunt. In cities, they take advantage of human food and green spaces. Despite hunting, their population increases due to their adaptability. 6. Myths and culture. In indigenous mythology, the coyote is a trickster, cunning, and mischievous. Today, they are sometimes seen as pests, but they play an important ecological role by controlling rodents. The Mexican coyote, Canis latrans cagatus, is a subspecies of the common coyote that lives in Mexico and parts of Central America. It is a highly adaptable and intelligent animal, playing an important role in the ecosystem and having a place in Mexican popular culture. 1. Physical characteristics. Size: smaller than coyotes found in the northern US and Canada. Weight: between 8 and 15 kilograms, lighter than other subspecies. Coat: grayish or reddish in color, with dark markings on the back. Ears and snout: thinner and more pointed than those of other varieties. 2. Habitat and distribution. It is found in almost all of Mexico, from deserts, Sonora, Chihuahua, to forests, Sierra Madre, and tropical areas, Chiapas, Yucatan. It also lives in rural and suburban areas, approaching towns and cities in search of food. 3. Diet: opportunistic and versatile. Hunts small animals, rabbits, mice, snakes, lizards. Eats fruits and vegetables, prickly pear, mesquite, corn in crops. Scavenger: feeds on livestock carcasses or roadkill. In urban areas, it may steal chickens, eat garbage, or attack small pets. 4. Behavior: more solitary than wolves, although it sometimes hunts in pairs. High-pitched howls, used to communicate, especially at night. Cunning and cautious, avoids humans but adapts to their presence. 5. Coyote in Mexican culture. Myths and legends. In Nahuatl and Mayan mythology, the coyote is a trickster, similar to the Nahual, a being that can transform itself. In northern Mexico, it is associated with stories of witchcraft and superstitions. Popular expressions. Being a coyote. In Mexico, it is used to describe someone cunning or deceitful, e.g., informal vendors or smugglers. Coyotage, term for the illegal trafficking of people into the U.S. due to the animal's cunning ability to cross borders. Film and music. It appears in Mexican films such as El Coyote, an adventure film series. In music, there are corridos and songs that mention it as a symbol of rebellion. 6. Relationship with humans. Viewed as a pest in livestock areas, it attacks sheep and poultry. Hunted and poisoned, but its population remains stable due to its high adaptability. In some indigenous cultures, it is respected as a sacred animal. 7. Conservation. It is not in danger of extinction thanks to its ability to adapt. In some regions, its control is promoted to protect livestock. Did you know? The Mexican coyote is smaller than the US coyote because it evolved in more arid environments. On the Day of the Dead, some altars include coyote figures as a symbol of protection.